What up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, man. It's about 7:30 this morning. I'm at the gym right now. We got a long day. Long day. We got a lot of stuff to do today, bro. A lot of stuff to do today. We got a little surprise today. Yeah, but we at the gym right now, though, bro. Finna get this work in. Got some other shit to take care of today. I'm gonna tune in with y'all. Driving, though. Don't do this. What I want to eat, though. Hey, what you got a haircut, though? What you got a haircut? Got a surprise coming later on, you feel me? Got a little surprise. It's just a daily vlog, bro. It's just a daily vlog. I might not even put the intro on this bitch. You feel me? Feeling good, though, man. Got a nice surprise, man. Y'all might even know what it is, because I might got a surprise, though, for y'all, though, bro. Real talk. Daily vlog. This is a daily vlog. My last vlog, I know that hoe was short, but see, it was hot as fuck when nobody trying to record. Oh yeah, y'all tune in. Got on $1,000 shoes. I feel very special. In a Huracan, came back in a Tesla. All around you loaded. Chick-fil-A, hey. Eat the line though. You won't break my soul. Hey, how you doing? Can I get a 8-piece nugget? I think so, yeah. A water? No, I don't want no drink. I gotta get a drink. And then can I get a spicy chicken sandwich? Yeah. No drink.
So 8-count nugget, medium fry, spicy sandwich, medium fry?
Nah, I don't want another fry. I just want one fry. That's all.
Any sauce or ketchup?
Barbecue. That's all. Gotta have the hardest barber in the universe. Got to. Alright, man, we just made it to the spot. I gotta put this shit up right quick. Ooh! That shit good as a motherfucker. You just don't know. Cash out, Lambo. Gonna drop 25,000. Put down right now. Long live dude. Say his name. We're gonna pick up the Lambo in the morning.
17 months.
That's why, man, that's why I figured he gonna probably got some other.
I'ma have a Hellcat since he.
Of a 706. His score ain't finna do number go up now. When he make these payments, his score ain't finna do number go in.
Yeah, I hear that. It ain't finna do number go up. It ain't finna do number go up.
It's just gonna go up. It'd be 800 for you know it.
Hellcat 2024.
And then he can be ready.
Buy your own cars.
You know,
Don't let your parents buy your cars if you're over 18.
right. Cause we ain't gonna do it.
Put your own bread down.
Right.
Don't get copyrighted. We got the whip. I'm gonna pick that junk up tomorrow. Feel me? Part 2 coming tomorrow. Tell me what it is, man.
Congratulations.
Man, so I'm gonna wrap up today's video. I did get the car, but they gotta detail it. And they gotta clean it up a little bit more. So I'm gonna go pick it up in the morning. Y'all gonna see it in the morning. So yeah, appreciate for y'all tripping. I can't get my words out. Appreciate y'all tuning in. And stay tuned for the video tomorrow, man. Some boys still over there. They in the high somewhere. Had to get them niggas some food too. Appreciate y'all tuning in, man. And yeah, like them.
I can get you gone with this mobile phone. It's an iPhone, but it's gonna send you home. Creep